Hi, my name is Bryce, and for my final project I designed a jumping robot. My initial goal was for it to get all of its body parts above the highest body part when it is standing idle. My form is a two-legged robot with two tails, inspired by the Salto 1P jumping robot. Mutation can scale the length of its limbs, but it stays symmetrical about its center axis. Um, In developing the fitness function, I selected for the maximum height achieved by both the body and its 2 feet concurrently, which is why they're both inside that maximum term, as well as the average height that the body achieves. Um, this worked fairly well. Came up with some pretty pleasing results. It jumps far above what it could. So to start off, we're going to look at some random behavior with non-scaled body parts. It just kind of wiggles around on the ground. And then next, we have like the first evolved weights that I came up with. It wriggles on the ground and then does this little flip. And that's when I knew I was onto something. Um, Here it is when you let it scale its legs, but not its weights. And then here it is when you let it do both. This was some pretty remarkable behavior to see for the first time. It jumps far above its own body height, and when given the chance, it can actually stay airborne for a good bit of time due to that mean term in the fitness function. So it does these repetitive jumps that are really high and really extended. However, this is likely due to it exploiting the simulation characteristics. It's very likely non-transferable to reality. So in this video, you can kind of see that kind of unrealistic behavior. How it just kind of like presses off the ground like that. Any robot, like real robot, would probably destroy itself doing that, and likely wouldn't get the leverage. It's also really susceptible to perverse instantiation. You get big jumping behavior, like maybe 1 out of every 5-ish runs. This one, it just holds its body in the air to satisfy that fitness function. So again, in conclusion, here's the jumping robot. It's a little bit silly, but it jumps really high. Thank you.